Before Miller, I was a high school tech ed instructor here in the state of Wisconsin. We didn't have the budget for me to purchase materials. I spent the evenings scouring the internet for resources that I could use in my classroom.
I was pulling stuff from YouTube, I was pulling stuff out of magazines, catalogs, anything I could get my hands on, because at the end of the day, you don't want to spend money on a $300 or $400 textbook just for a single student.
That was a big part of my job as compiling curriculum.
We wanted to bring something to those instructors to make their life easier and to help them teach their students. That's where OpenBook came from. OpenBook is a learning management system for tech, college, and high school instructors. We have e-learning modules. There's also 24 pre-canned welding labs that an instructor can choose from.
OpenBook is so flexible.
They can customize the experience for their students depending on the needs of their local market and the curriculum that their state deems that they should be teaching.
We get different learning levels, so we have to tailor each class to the learning needs of each one, and that's where OpenBook becomes useful.
You can do it on a computer, a tablet, a laptop, even my phone. I don't know, super easy to use.
It's the way this generation is learning, and it ties directly into the way they like to learn.
I'm not much one for reading, so it's nice to just sit back and relax, and you can just watch the videos and you can learn from there.
The accountability of the student was a huge piece of OpenBook.
I know exactly how long that kid's been on the computer, as long as the computer's set up that long. I know if that kid sat there and looked at it for 5 minutes, I know he didn't make it through the whole textbook.
You know, there was one instructor who could barely get 25% of his students to complete an assignment. Through OpenBook, 100% of the students were completing the assignments.
Free is the best part.
We're in a time right now where funding for public schools, colleges, that kind of stuff is tough.
And we really decided that we could make a huge impact by making it available for free.
OpenBook's an absolute game changer for educational institutes like ours. And OpenBook has really just freed me up to, spend more time one-on-one with the kids. Everything that you need to cover the content that you want kids to know is going to be right there.